Tired of dark spaces and high energy bills? Discover the solar lighting revolution. Do you feel frustrated by dimly lit yards, shadowy walkways, or fumbling for your keys in the dark? Worse yet, are high energy bills making you think twice about keeping outdoor spaces illuminated? Traditional outdoor lights may leave you stuck with subpar brightness, limited coverage, or unreliable performance in bad weather. You deserve a better, smarter solution to light up your surroundings without the extra costs or headaches. Enter the Aootek Solar Motion Sensor Lights, a game-changing innovation designed to solve all your outdoor lighting challenges with ease, efficiency, and brilliance. Say goodbye to frustratingly dark spaces and hello to hassle-free illumination with Aootek Solar Motion Sensor Lights. Featuring 120 high-efficiency LEDs and a 270-degree wide-angle design, these lights ensure comprehensive coverage. Whether you're navigating your yard, deterring potential intruders, or creating a safer environment for your family, these lights rise to the occasion. Powered by an advanced PET laminated solar panel, they convert sunlight into power with an impressive 20.5% efficiency rate. The best part? They charge during the day and work all night, eliminating the need for expensive electricity or frequent maintenance. Not all lights are the same, and Aootek knows it. That's why these lights come with 3 versatile modes to suit your needs. Use motion sensor mode to activate lights only when movement is detected, saving power while keeping you safe. Choose permanent on mode for all-night illumination, perfect for gatherings or extra security. Or opt for smart brightness control mode, where lights stay dimly lit but brighten upon detecting motion. This adaptability ensures you get just the right lighting for every occasion, no waste, no compromise, just perfectly tailored illumination. What's worse than lights that fail after a rainstorm or snowy night? Aootek Solar Motion Sensor Lights eliminate that worry with their IP65 waterproof and heatproof design. Built to withstand extreme weather conditions, they deliver consistent performance year-round, even in the harshest environments. Their sturdy build and long-lasting rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensure you enjoy worry-free lighting for years. Compared to cheaper, less reliable options, Aootek stands out for its durability and value, making it a cost-effective choice you can trust in any season. Setting up Aootek Solar Motion Sensor Lights is as simple as it gets. With just 2 screws, you can mount these lightweight lights anywhere you need them: steps, porches, driveways, or patios. No wiring, no professionals, just easy DIY installation. By switching to Aootek's solar-powered innovation, you're not just saving time and energy, you're making a smart, eco-friendly investment in your home's safety and style. Say goodbye to the dark, cut down your energy costs, and brighten your life with Aootek, the ultimate outdoor lighting solution for smart homeowners.